Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can reset the PC to factory settings. And to do that, we will be following just a few simple steps for your Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. So we will begin with going to this Windows icon first, and then we need to make a right click on that so that we can go to the settings. So once you're already in the settings window, all you need to do is just to go to this system option here. And then once you click on this one, you will get all these sorts of options. So please scroll down, and then we will be looking for this recovery option where we can reset, advanced, startup, and go back. So please make a click on that. And then you will get here in the recovery option section, the reset this PC option. Choose to keep or remove your personal files, then reinstall Windows. So if you click on this reset this PC option here, you will get this user account control window coming up. Let me just quickly add the password that it is asking. So, and once you have already entered the password from your user account control window, you will get this reset this PC window. Here you can choose an option whether you can keep your files or remove everything. So for the option keep my files, it removes apps and settings but keeps your personal files. Whereas for the remove everything option, it will remove all your personal files, apps, and settings. So you can either choose from the two. And another option or another way to get to this kind of window is to enter the system or automatic system repair loop. So to do that, simply press and hold the shift key in your keyboard, and then you need to go to this Windows icon, make a right click, and then hover your cursor into this shutdown and sign out option. You will get this restart option. So just press and hold the shift key and then click on this restart button. You will be now entering the automatic repair loop window. So there you need to click on the troubleshoot option. And once you click on troubleshoot option, you can now get the reset this PC option there. And you can choose whether to keep or remove your files. And if you plan to sell or give away your device, you can choose the full reset option. So just don't forget to back up your files before proceeding. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.